You don't want to miss this trending t-shirt design idea. It is going crazy all over the internet right now, and people are capitalizing on it and making money. I seen the niche started to go viral a few days ago, and there are a few different ways to approach a niche like this or a trending idea like this. Now, there is a ton of competition, but there is a lot of demand. With that, it's going to take you a little bit of brain power and understanding of the niche to create a really awesome design to make sales. Now, there's no guarantees, right? And I share with you in this video one design that is the main phrase of the trend, and they went ahead and created a whole original idea from that design. Let's get into the content. All right, so hawk to a spit on that thing. It's trending right now like crazy all over the internet. I've been talking about it too, and in the Facebook, my Facebook group and my YouTube community tab too as well. And there's some questions that have been popping up as far as we're just going to go over the whole research, the whole idea, and break down some of these t-shirt designs. So you can see a new release. It's like, look at, it's already at 4K. BSR right here. Hawk to a 2024 spit on that thing. And what they did right here was like the political niche. I like what they did here. The political niche and that saying, and put it, and it's like, they cross niche. They put a political and the funny saying that's going viral over here on TikTok. And so we have 1, 2, 3 designs. The top 5 designs right now, 3 of those t-shirts are dominating right now as far as the hot new releases. Everything I'm sharing with you in this video is going to be down below in the description, so don't have no concerns. Everything's going to be down there. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Let me know, and make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy this type of content that I'm sharing with you guys, because it helps me rank into the YouTube algorithm, and you know this. So it came from a TikTok video. It was like a question asked. Someone was interviewing, doing those little interview questions where, asked something about. Yeah, you get the idea what she was asking, like, what do you recommend something, and what's the number one thing in bed or something like that she should do to a man to get him a riley or something like that, right? And she said, hawk to a spit on that thing. You know what I mean? And she's doing it right here in the video. That's what she did, right? So it was a funny thing, and then all of a sudden, I want you to look at this. 3 million, 400, 3 million, 2 million, 4 million. We're getting 2 million, 10 million, 2 million. Like, it's going crazy. And then you're seeing what they're doing over here. This is a design on the background, right? Hawk to a 2024 spit on that thing. 117K views. That's saying something. Now, let's come over here. Look at this. So when we type back over here to TikTok, okay, search. When you hit search, look at what's going to pop up. Shirt. Let's hit shirt. Look what they're doing. This is interesting because there's different ways that they're putting it. If you don't hawk to, I don't want to talk. I'm not even sure what that. Talk to. There you go. They're using some slang. They're using different ways of the design. This is it, because this is exactly what I'm talking about, guys. When you see designs like this, it's not, oh, let me go over here and copy this design and do exactly what everyone else is doing. It's not to do that. A lot of people get that, they don't understand it. I've created a few designs on this already, and my goal behind this is actually take the same concept, right, the idea of the hawk tua, and then what else can I do differently? You can see like this one has 11K views. She's doing her own printing, right, which is creating less competition for her, which is a good thing. Applause to her. Good job, right? And then if you come over here, you're seeing other people and what they're doing as far as, creating their own design and how they're doing it. They're leveraging that video and creating something pretty cool. That's dope. And a lot of the big t-shirt designs that are selling are like the political niche with the hawk tua saying with it, that memes type saying, or that video that went viral on TikTok, however you want to say it. I think this is a good idea. This is what's selling. This is basically that's what's crushing it at the moment. And there's a few more. If I go down right here, let me see. There's another one right there. There's another one. Here's another one. 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 So it's dominating this whole front page of. We have over what? Yeah, we have like, what is it, 50 results right here, I think I want to say. What is it? 48 results. And a good percentage of those, that saying is dominating. If she don't hawk to, I won't talk to her. That's dope too. So it's like kind of taking from the original saying, but what they did was remixed it right here, right? They remixed it and they created something unique and different of their own. And this is a perfect example. And if you look at this, let's check out this BSR real fast. It's probably still too new to have any type of BSR, but we had a 45K BSR and it was uploaded yesterday and it's trending and making sales. So That's a good sign, especially when you look at the first three, you know that they're dominating: white t-shirt, black t-shirt, black t-shirt. So, you know, and there's 4K, 6K, 6K. Now, the next thing was, if you're trying to create something inside this niche, it's like, it just happened, right? So it's something that just happened, and you're having people that are coming into there trying to trademark the phrase. If you look at it, probably, let me pop it open on the USPTO. Top research design vault 100 plus niches. Now let me give you a breakdown of everything that you get back here. You're getting a niche idea, related keywords, low competition, and then with all that right there, you're getting the copyright and the trademark checks, and then the links to show the inspiration for that niche to help you come up with something like a good design idea. This type of research has helped me generate over $350,000 all time with my Amazon Merch on Demand account. You can see I've sold over 100,000 products with my Amazon Merch on Demand account, which is really, really amazing. And not only that, too, along the whole way, the whole process, I've helped thousands and thousands of people too as well. So this is nothing new to me. One thing that I'm working on right now, instead of releasing niches every month, I'm in the process of trying to release new niches every single week, just trying to take it up to that next level, so you have something new to work on. Pretty much with the research done for the week, you'll have something new to work on pretty much every day, right? And just sharing tips and tricks back here to help you grow your print-on-demand business. Now, keep in mind, this is research done with Amazon.com. As I'll start to go into other platforms too, like Etsy, Redbubble, TeePublic, and all these other platforms, to do a little bit more research and dive into like different analytics and stuff like that. But the number one platform for online shopping is Amazon.com. So that right there is my favorite website to do research. And I'm leveraging different tools too as well to help create this spreadsheet that you get back here. Now, the main goal with this is to help you make money, make your first sales, start to make, so if you're making, let's say you're making $10 a month, the goal is to help you make $20 or 30 or 40, double it up. And now obviously if you can make 40 or 50, the goal is to make 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. That is the main goal with this, just to help you, give you an insight, make money, understand the research process, and just provide a lot of value over here and more. So sign up, $10 a month. You get access to over 100 niches, and this is going to keep on growing too, by the way. I'm trying to get up to over 1,000, 2,000. I'll update this back here for you. So when you sign up, you'll get access to, 5 different spreadsheets back there to give you an insight of what to work on and how to make money with these online print-on-demand platforms too. Now, if you come over here to the actual USPTO, you can see there's 2 trademarks that are pending, and they were literally on, you can see filing date, June 19th, which is like about 2 days ago. And this one too, June 19th. And you can see, different owner name right here. Now it's crazy because now some people, they take advantage of this, as if it's not the actual person that said this, because she made this go viral, right? She's the one that did this right here. So I would with her, if she's not doing this already, she should trademark that, because she made it go viral. It's like, at that point, it's like a brand. It turns into more she's that meme, that saying right there is probably going to make her money for the rest of her life. So her going into here and, making it, her own t-shirt, her own brand, and just saying any more funny sayings around it, right? It's possible that she can do that. And I've seen memes and certain videos that go viral for years and years, and they're just, they consistently bring in that person money, right? And if you looked at some of, like, remember that one with Charlie, that little kid, that little baby that bit him? Oh, Charlie, you bit me, or something like that. I forgot how it went. I have to go rewatch the video. Stuff like that. You see them when they're older, and I'm pretty sure they monetize off of that. And this is something that she could monetize off of, as far as getting royalties and creating like any type of like meme downloads or anything like that. She gets some type of royalty from that, I'm pretty sure. So I'm not sure, because I've never personally done it myself, but I'm pretty sure she's probably in the process of doing that, and I hope she is, so she can obviously make money off of that right there. Because literally just doing like that, the power of the internet, right? It's one thing you create a viral saying, then you go viral, and it can change your life, which is crazy, right? To even think about that. But there's some people that are going in and trying to trademark the phrase. I'm not sure if this is her or not, but it's in the process of going through it all. If you look, you can see it's not approved yet. So you're seeing some people saying that. I have some people in my Facebook group that are saying that it's not live, or it's not safe or anything like that. It's not safe. It's safe, right? But the only thing is, you just have to be careful as far as, what if even if you want to make a design around it, right? You don't have to do it, but as far as that, there's these two right here, but they're not live, and it's to create designs for it. Now, at the end of the day, it's like, what happens if she files it, makes a trademark and it's live and it's hers? That, you know what I mean? Then you have to, that's the name of print on demand. Then you have to take it down, right? So it's crazy to see this and how it all works out. But one thing I wanted to touch on too is just the research, the research behind this. There's different ideas. You don't just have to do what everyone else is doing, because you're going to be in that you're going to be in the crowded niche of the competition. There's going to be a ton of competition doing this same type of design. And like, if you look at this person right here, they went ahead and flipped it around, and then they created a top selling design that's ranking on Amazon. So just making like different sayings and flipping it and creating your own design is one way to do this and go into a very competitive niche, because there's a demand for this. People get confused. I'm not chasing trends. I'm not doing this. I'm not doing that. Yes, I get it. That's good that you don't want to chase trends. But what about other people out there that are, leveraging, creating cool t-shirt designs that people that want this type of t-shirt right now? People want, there's a demand for this. People want it. So it takes a little bit of work, takes a little bit of brain power, but at the end of the day, you can create something that's original on the platform, and you can create a design that's very similar to this. And not only that, I've seen a ton of memes going around with the hawk tour and like forklift, hot dogs, cheeseburgers. Like, there's a ton of different things that can be done with this. Not just, these right here, not the political, but it is definitely a good approach as far as the political, because obviously you can tell it's a #1 t-shirt right now. New release, #1, hawk tour, spit on that thing. But look, you see what they did there. You can just sub niche it out into different ideas. So if you have a top selling design, or you're in a niche that has a top selling design, you can literally think of a funny phrase using the hawk tour, and then a funny saying, like a sub funny saying behind the hawk tour, and then you can, do your own phrase on that. So just different ways to approach something like this. Use a little bit of the brain power to understand the idea, the concept, and then put your own flip on it. And then next thing you know, you can create a cool design exactly like that. But it came from TikTok. Now you got people over here, hawk tour supervisor. See that right there? So you got people over here creating different t-shirt designs behind it. And I think it's pretty cool. And you can do your research over here on TikTok and figure out what other designs you can possibly create that's not on Amazon, right? So just give you inspiration to come up with different ideas. And if you enjoy niche research like this, watch this video right here next. Thank you very much for watching. Peace out.